Hello, today I'm in Peugeot 508. In this video I'll show you how to navigate through speedometer display. In the beginning, let's take a look at the right side of the steering wheel, and right here we've got this lever with the button on the top of it. Simply press the button to change category on speedometer display. So we've got engine and battery level, radio, navigation, current speed, range and current fuel consumption, trip 1 info and trip 2 info. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.